How much you pay me?
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today we're up to no good. We're gonna give some trouble. So Lucy and Jason just gone out of the yard. It's make a prank level. So basically make a prank level and tell her to find a sugar daddy. But the sugar daddy come to Jamaica for 2 weeks and he want to spend time with me at the hotel. Me go ask her if she can come with me because you know Jason not gonna send me to the hotel alone. So if she come with me, Jason won't be suspicious, say, you know, nothing not go on. So basically me go ask her if she just cover up for me. Guys, me go just work with the flow, me go just try to provoke her. But make we see how this a go. And if it sound like me I rush my intro, yes, me I rush it because mosquito are killing me outside. So let us get into this video. Adiana? Adiana? Come baby, come. Come, mommy in the bathroom. Lovell, look out for Adiana, she'll come round there. Babe, you can't do that. You can't do that. Look. Watch her. She want to do it, you know? You can't do it. Come, baby.
Come, Addy, come.
Her father, she look out for her. Watch her.
Mosquito?
Yes.
Kill him!
In the behind the mesh. Lucky with that?
Lucky.
Hey, Addy, biscuit?
Mm.
So I have something to tell her about me. You know over there, you know? Girl, I'm nervous. Ta, baby? Can you get some? Thank you. Thank you. Girl, I'm nervous to say it to you. You know, you're not going to judge me. Or you're going to judge me.
It be a small why you can't just access if you're going to
What
judge.
am I going to say? I'm nervous. What me tell her? I can't tell nobody, you know? Not even Lucy.
No, but you have to tell me I want first before me have to say me.
So me can't tell her, I can't tell nobody.
But I'm warm.
Oh, you
If
have
I
to tell Lucy.
no, alright, me not tell nobody. Don't tell her.
Come here. I love her. Say, my fan wants sugar daddy. Girl, I spend. Yes. Spend big money. You look at me so far. You see, you're not going to judge me. I'm not going to worry tell
No,
you no
you
more.
sure?
Yes, if I want sugar daddy, but I can't make Jason know. You know I'm going to leave me instantly.
Since when did the money the punch is too?
Eh? No. I can't
You
give no
better?
about it.
I mean, no, say. You just never hear about this. Why mosquito come here face?
Wait. Catch him in
Catch
there?
him?
Yes.
What if I'm seeing one in a window?
No, the one in our window in there same way.
Oh. Come, Addy.
Come, baby. Our father, she look out for her now.
So you not tell me, wait, let me see, you just tell me, say you just
Alright,
left
let
me
me tell you how
in
it
the
start. So basically, this man messaged me online and but he kind of skeptical for answering, but me did answer, and then from there, so it's been luxury. Like anything what me want, me get. Can't make Jason know though. But I gotta ask you for a huge favor.
No, baby, no.
You wanna play with them? Shall I make you
She
take
wants
them?
to open.
May I ask you for a huge favor? Please, me ask you because me don't want the opportunity to miss me. What me it?
And she knows, is it open, you know?
Open?
Open?
Thank you. Thank you. Alright. Should we show them more? Anyways, the man end up come to Jamaica. This is going to be my first time I come to Jamaica. Lovell, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
What
you No, you're crazy? You're mad?
No, that means
You
you're
know
plan.
that things where I carry for me.
So that means you're plan to go out, carry out this way I do.
Lovell, it's not like... Alright, let me be honest. the person knows that I have somebody, but him not care. Like, I'm a big man, I'm not busy with them something here.
So I'm not concerned, so how you gonna tell your fiance say, me I go away and
he's depending on me to find a way. So that's the best part. So him know about the things, but Jason don't know.
Continue, I want to hear more.
So?
Excuse me.
So, him a come to me. This is my first time, and then it can't be a thing when me I go look for him.
Mosquito again. Near your face. Near your face.
And on my face? Are you saying on my face?
See behind you.
Why?
Good girl.
No man, me a mosquito catcher.
Talk where talk say.
Love you happy for me?
Talk where talk say. Yeah, I'm just talk.
Anyways, the man a come and we just did a look on it say, it don't make no sense me go look for him like every other day because him really catch him again. Him really
Come on, the mosquito never try to say no matter talk no more.
yeah, this be trained for do kill mosquito. Anyways, me not even drop him because I don't want any negative funny.
Yeah, put it on the paper.
Anyways, girl, the man a come and I want to spend all of the time with him because I mean make him a come here. He's not used to nobody out here. Yeah, we go there hotel and stuff, but me I make him come, so why not just, you get me? I want to like did it with him, like.
So you think about it or you actually are going to do it?
I want to do it, so that's why next time I will come talk to you in person.
Talk to me?
Me never want to say to you over the phone.
Y'all gonna talk to me, Angel?
Because what y'all gonna do for me is
your fiance we live with is my brother. You can't talk to me.
because me know you're trustworthy. Me know you never dare go judge me. You judge me?
But me I say
You
you
judge
can't
me?
talk to me.
Lovely, you judge me?
Miss, I got alone judge.
Lovely, you judge me.
So why?
Well, you don't have my back.
No, come here say.
You don't have my back with this.
Yeah, Angel.
It's all good. Me
It's
can
not
find
the
somebody
case when me not
else.
have your back or me have your back. Me talk about the fact say why you plan to carry out this thing.
Lovely, it's
And
not
when
like
you want to?
it's not like a somebody when me want to spend the rest of my life with.
So why you
It's
do
just
that?
that me love the little.
Oh, you love fancy things.
Not really fancy things.
So if you
but
love fancy things, why never take up a fancy man? Why never take up a rich
me get
dude?
fancy things from Jason,
You need
but
some
like
when you can satisfy?
additional, like the extra. Me like that.
No,
Anyways, before you broke my vibes, let me tell you what me ask you. So, me already tell Jason, say, me have one family member where come from foreign, and the family member want to spend time with me. So Jason don't know about this, but to make Jason believe what me say to him, better him say me go make you come.
Oh hell no.
Wow. Maybe I think about you, girl. So you could have come and come at hotel.
So Angel, you feel like some me friend for hotel?
You gonna bring Adiana?
No,
It's
me
not a
think
matter
that
of friend. You cover for me. You can't cover for me, Lovell. Please, Lovell, cover for me. Please,
They
Lovell.
will cover for you, Angel?
Yes.
And
So
put me
if
in a-
Jason even have doubt in him head and him call you, can say, yeah, she did buy a poolside with her auntie.
Me would have do that to Jason. Would have never.
Lovell, please.
No, I never did that
How much
to
you would have
Jason.
take for you do it for me? Me I pay you.
No, but this girl look like say me want money. I'm greedy. I'm hungry.
Me never said that.
You see,
Encouragement,
no.
sweet and labor. Encouragement, sweet and labor.
I don't want your money, Angel.
So Lovell can't cover for me. Let me tell you the only reason why I want you to come. Because if Jason has doubt in his head, you can't say to him, say, no man, she do it at poolside with her uncle or whatever, or her auntie. Me tell him, say, auntie and uncle.
God almighty.
Well, you already know, so if you're not going to still keep it as a secret.
Oh, my dear.
So you're not going to keep it as a secret?
Nope. Well, Andy.
Lovell, please.
I can hear what you say.
Lovell, you record me?
No, I record them before me.
Lovell, you record me? I would never do that to you, Lovell.
I'm not doing anything, Angel. My phone is closed.
You record me, Lovell.
Angel, say my phone here. It's not
Lovell,
recording.
please cover for me. I really want to go.
So you said the guy, yeah, your sugar daddy, how old him be?
Lovell, are you recording me?
Yeah,
Lovell, please no.
Alright, so
Lovell,
I'm
I'm 62.
I'm 62, alright.
Oh, sorry, baby.
62 in my wall, in my
Lovell, are you recording me?
No, I want no details, guys. Me go through.
No, but if you go come, and a matter of fact too, not even know
how much you pay me. I say you pay me if something that's sweet and labor, whatever.
One per day 5,000 and a 2 weeks.
Look like 5,000 girl to you?
2 weeks. 2 weeks. That's 14 days. 14 times 5,000. I remember, look, 5,000 times 14. 70,000 for 2 weeks.
No, by the time I calculate that, my rent and my bills, then me done.
Alright, how much I want?
I mean, don't want the money. It's
so like I want to get you start calculate your bills.
No, listen, if I was going to go through it, I'm not going to.
Adiana, your mom is being weird too.
I'm not hungry.
Love it, me never
I have a wife called for me more.
Just come up for me now, please.
No, I'm not going to do it.
So just come up for me now. Please. I've never begged you like this.
Yeah, you realize, say, if Jason do something wrong, me always cover, I always back you, but you do something wrong, you think me if back you?
Alright, here what
kind of system would I make?
Alright, you know what me I think to myself? I should have never say it to you. So here what you do for me, please.
So you come to me something, you be defensive now, come go and I say
because you now cover for me.
Yes, the next time.
You now cover for me. So here what you gonna do for me then. So do me a favor. Keep the secret, say. Other person that me I got hotel with. So if you even hear Jesus say Angel gonna hotel with her auntie, just say
tell you, not tell us, I'm gonna keep the secret, but if Jesus call me and ask because I'm going to tell him. And I tell you, make no
so secret. So why you gonna tell him that? You know that I gonna mash way up.
You just stop being decent.
That I gonna mash way up.
Because why you in the first place.
But that I gonna mash up if you tell him that.
In the first place, come on me and come and tell me foolishness. So don't do that.
But if you tell him that I gonna mash up, so here what? Deal, keep it secret.
So tell me say
deal.
Me I'm gonna mash up your relationship and you already done mash up.
No, but if Jason know he can't mash up.
See, you don't feel like say what going at that, what come out of that?
When he come out of light, when he come in our light, then we deal with that. So you're going to keep it secret. So you don't have to bother come with me. You don't have to bother come. Me will find my way out. So basically, I just tell Jason.
I think you're better than this, Angel. I really think you're better than this.
Well, tada, this is me.
So, no, Angel, thank you. You're hungry? You're hungry, Angel?
You look so.
You want money? That much?
Yeah, prank you.
No, me did I record you. I knew
it. Love it, me knew you did record me.
So may I make sure I see this because if it's not a prank,
my camera battery dead. I don't know which part it's dead, but hopefully it catch everything. Yeah. But me catch level. How was that one?
Where you catch me? Come ready see.
For that.
Of course.
Matter of fact, level did record me. For me Jason listen to it. But he's a good sister. I'm not gonna lie. Everybody must stay so towards them sibling. Me, I would tell my sister and I would tell my brother. But good one. Guys, like up the video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to edit that video here. No, Lucy and Jason lost. Call Lucy. I've got it. Call Lucy. Adiana. Yeah, alright, baby?
Probably Jason.
She happy? Yeah, message them and ask them if they're alright. But we're there, guys. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks. You have tried the journey with me. Road to 100,000 subscribers. Bye, guys.